Hi, my name's Drogo. I'm the founder of Fine Food Specialist. Welcome to my kitchen. For the next scallop dish today, we're going to make our own herb butter. Put a little bit of garlic and lemon zest in there and lemon juice. We're going to prepare this scallop and we're going to grill it with the garlic butter. So this is chervil, which has got sort of aniseedy flavour. Basil, I've got baby basil here, basil microherb. And we're going to put lemon zest in there, lemon juice, and a little bit of garlic. Okay, so there's no real measurements here. I'm putting in maybe a quarter of a block of butter straight now. I'm hoping it's going to be enough to blitz out, and I'm going to put my chervil, a handful of basil. Again, it's just really by eye, if you like the flavour of basil more than chervil. And then of course garlic. Just shave a little bit in, not too much. I think garlic can be very overpowering. So this, my friend, is my microplane. It's a brilliant tool because it just turns it into a paste. I'll show you in a second. There's no lumps at all in there, and that's what we're trying to avoid. What you don't want to do is land on a bit of burnt garlic. What's really good about this is you can put chocolate, you can put garlic, you can put lemon zest. But really when you put the zest in, you want to get the yellow bit. Underneath is the pith, which is actually bitter. You wouldn't be able to do that with the lemon anyway. So that feels about right. Again, there's no recipe to this, it's just really done on instinct. Once we blended the butter, we need to taste it. So we're missing lemon juice and salt, which we've left till the end for obvious reasons. So we're going to dollop our scallops in the shell with a nice dollop of this. I'm just going to quickly show you how to prepare one of these whole scallops. So they come in half shell. This is the coral, which you don't really want to eat, you can eat it. And this is the muscle that holds the shell together in place on the shell. So we're just going to get a knife under there and just come through that there. Very gently. And just sever that little muscle in there. Just peels away. And then we demembrane the coral and any sort of gunk around the other side. It's pretty simple, it's not difficult to do. If you look now, you've got a perfect clean scallop with no muscle. Again, you can see there's some grit there from the sand. Now some people will wash it under a tap, but it's just going to take off flavour. So easy is just get a damp cloth and just do that. Just a bit more time, but do it properly. Perfect. So we're going to take the butter that we just made and put it on top of the scallop, and the grill's going to then melt it down and cook the scallop at the same time. So you want to really take the fattest part, the widest part, and put it upwards, the biggest surface area, because we're going to cover that in butter. You can be as generous or as not as you like. In this case, we haven't got very many. I think it's nice to have a nice pool of butter in there. Very naughty, but very nice. So we're going to put these shells in a tray and then straight under the grill. So we're just going to plate this up now, make it look nice, a little garnish of salad, a little wedge of lemon just to finish off. And there you have it. Brick some scallops in half shell with our own handmade herb butter and garlic butter. It's very simple, very clean and really, really good. So I really hope you've enjoyed watching me cook this recipe today. All the ingredients are on the Fine Food Specialist website. And if you need any help or assistance, please do get in touch with us.